All right, everyone, quick review of the interior. As you can see there, it's got 50,000 miles. The car's on, e-brake's up. I'm not wearing my seatbelt, so that light is on. Steering wheel, it looks brand new, honestly. No tears, no scuffs, no issues. On the left side of the steering wheel, you'll see these switches. They also look brand new, not even faded. Look like they're in great condition. The vents are solid. They move with adjustments, but are not just lazy laying there like some vents. The dash is in brand new condition. No scuffs, no issues, no tears. Same with the pillars. Got some gold hardware there, but not super necessary. Just my touch. So the GoPro mounts on both ends, gold hardware again. And then when you go to the center of the dash, you've got the Atoto head unit. One feature I did want to show you guys, which I thought was super helpful and modern, is this TPMS sensor. So you can see every tire's PSI and the temperature, which very helpful for everyday use. And it actually will sound an alarm. I set it up to where it sounds an alarm if it's below 25 PSI. It's just a way to alarm it. You can change that however you'd like, whenever you'd like for it to trigger. When you go back to the main menu, you've got the dash cam, the torque app, which connects to the OBD2. It'll tell you if you got a check engine light, what the issue is, what's going on there. I have it set as a timer to black out because that's just what I like. Apple CarPlay is here, and then a ton of just different adjustments that you can do with any Android Auto head unit. Climate control looks like it's in perfect condition. Same with the center console. Everything is really in perfect condition there. That's my water bottle. You can ignore that. You can see again, perfect condition there. The door panels are like everything else in perfect shape. Everything in this car is really like new or brand new looking. And then the rear, you've got where the top would go, the rear speakers as well. Everything is, again, as it should be from the factory and practically new shape. That's the quick rundown of the interior. Let me open this door so you can see the driver door condition as well. Like everything else, looks great.